Hello, welcome you all to solve this math equation, that is 8 to the power n is equal to 320, in which we have to find the value of n. So let's start our solution. Our equation is 8 to the power n is equals to 320. In the first step, we will take log on the both side. That is log 8 to the power n is equals to log 320. Now we'll take n in the front side, that is n log 8 is equals to log 320. Now in the next step, we will divide log 8 on the both side. That is log over log 8 over log 8 on the both side. In this case, this log 8 got cancelled. We are left with n is equals to log 320 upon log 8. Clear? Now in the next step, we will take log 320. 320 can be written as 8 into 40 bracket over log 8. Now this is in the form of log a into b, which is equals to log a plus log b. I will use this form to solve our equation. Now log 8 plus log 40 over log 8. Clear? Now n is equals to log 8 over log 8 plus log 40 over log 8. We will separate both by log 8 and log 8. Now from this we got log 8 is equals to 1 plus log 40 over log 8. N is equals to 1 plus log 40. Log 40 can be written as log 8 into 5 over log 8, which is again in the form of log a plus log b. Now n is equals to 1 plus, now we'll take log 8 plus log 5 over log 8. Clear? Now again we will separate log 8, both log 8 upon log 8 plus log 5 over log 8. From this log 8 got cancelled, so we are left with n is equals to 1 plus 1 plus log 5 over log 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. From where n is equals to 1 plus 1, there is 2 plus log 5 over this 3 will come at the front, that is 3 log 2. Clear? So this is equals to n is equals to 2 plus 1 upon 3 log 5 over log 2. Now this is in the form of log a upon log b, that is log a base b. So we'll take 2 plus 1 upon 3 log 5 base 2. So this is our answer for the equation. Let's check whether our answer is correct or not. Our solution is 8 to the power n is equals to 320, and the value of n we got as 2 plus 1 upon 3 log 5 base 2. So we'll put the value of n in the equation, that is 8. N is 2 plus 1 upon 3 log 5 base 2 is equals to 320. We have to check whether it's equal or not. So this is in the form of a to the power m plus n, which is a to the power m into a to the power n. Now we'll apply this rule to solve further. So this becomes 8 to the power 2 into 8 to the power 1 upon 3 log 5 base 2 is equals to 320. 8 square is 64. 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 whole 1 to the 1 over 3 log 5 base 2 is equals to 320. From here 3 got cancelled. So we are left with 2 to the power log 5 base 2 is equals to 320. Now this is in the form of a log b base a, in which is equals to b. So in this case it becomes 64 into this equals to b is equals to 5. 64 into 5 will give 320, which is equal. This means left hand side and the right hand side are equal. That means the answer we got is correct. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.